What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video today, I will be sharing with you how you can add a beneficiary in the NCB mobile app. So this could be a Sagicor bank account, a Scotia, or even a First Global bank account. So with that said, let's get into it. So what you want to do is look for the menu icon. This may be a little bit different if you're using an Android phone, right? So for the iPhone, it's at the top left. So you're going to select the menu icon, select transfer, and then you're going to select add other bank beneficiary, right? So you're going to select that option. Select the account type, whether it's a checking or a savings, right? So we're going to select saving here. From the drop down, you're going to select the bank that you want to add. As you can see, there's a variety of banks that you can add. So let's say we're doing JN Bank, right? Now you need to select the branch. So select the branch option, then you select the branch, right? So I'm going to say New Kingston. Then you provide the beneficiary name. So I'm just going to say MR Morrison again and ignore my lowercase for the starting of the names, right? And for the account number, you just specify the person account number as well. And then you provide a beneficiary name. So let's scroll down a little bit to see it clearly. And then you say MRJMD, right? And then you could say JN as well. To really distinguish which bank it is, then you select done. And then here you'll just need to provide your token to add the beneficiary. Then once your beneficiary is added, you can go ahead and make transfers to that person. So that's it for this video guys. Thank you for watching and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.